You can access the PinPad button in the Settings menu. Tap on the Settings button in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the PinPad button. If you have already successfully entered a code, you can see the number in the PinPad. You can clear the code by tapping the red X button. To input a code, tap on the number buttons. When you are ready, tap the green checkmark button to submit your code. If the code is invalid, a red X will appear next to it. Tap on the red X button to clear the code and try again. If you need to delete the last number you tapped, tap the yellow back button. If your code is valid, a green checkmark will appear next to it. If you need help, tap on the Help button in the top right corner of the screen for instructions. You can tap the Back button in the bottom left corner of the screen to exit the PinPad at any time.